Hey guys, so today we're gonna open the smallest package of MAC because I literally just bought one thing. So if you guys just don't want to watch, don't watch. It's just because I like to post videos. And yes, I'm right before my workout. So this is kind of a vlog, I guess, but like not really because like I'm literally just showing you what I got in the smallest package. So this video won't be long. So, here it is. Hopefully you didn't look at my information. Hold on. Okay. Okay, I got this thing. And it's a sample of their lash thing, and it's so small. Oh, sorry if you guys can't see me. Okay, so it's this. And then after I bought lip gloss. I should have bought a lipstick, but I was stupid and I bought lip gloss. And I don't even like this color anymore. Like, I don't like this color. I thought there'd be glitter. I'm actually so depressed right now, guys. This is like $20. Can you like return it? Ah, whatever, guys. That's all I got for today. Shitty lip gloss. Well, it's really moist. Here, I'll bring you in a good light. Okay, hold on. Isn't that cool how I can move it? Where? Okay, not this slide, but this slide. I mean, it's not the best. I mean, it's not the worst. I actually kind of like it now. See, like, I wish it looks a lot more brown than purple, but, yeah. Okay, that's all. Bye.